Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? My name is Dalton. This is my YouTube channel, Dalton My World, and I'm coming at you straight, okay? Out of Pittsburgh. Now, I have my coffee, and I have a surprise unboxing. That's right, this is going to be a surprise unboxing, okay? As you can see, it's from Amazon and it has not been unboxed yet. All right, so let's do this. Make a little room here. Be cutting through. I have to use my scissors. Don't have my knife, so. Believe it or not, when I was younger, that was my thing. Some people collect guns. I used to collect knives. I don't know what happened to that phase. Just all right. Let's open this up. Let's see what we have here, shall we? Yeah, you got the cushion. You ready? Now I want you to understand this particular item. Bought a little while back. Didn't as you see, kept it boxed. This is, that's right, smartphone vlog kit. All right. Now this particular, look how pretty that is. Let's open this up. Take out the plastic. That box looks so good. I might just have to keep that. See how we open this up right here. May not keep the rocks. No, I'm kidding. Ooh. Ooh, look at that case. Ooh. Carrying case, people. Look at that. Oh, yeah. You see that? Let's open this up. Ooh, nice. Now, this is a product by, hope I don't butcher this too bad, Ulanzi. And I will put the name, okay, of it. And this cost me 40 bucks on Amazon. And at that time, I did have Amazon Prime, so the shipping was free. Okay, look at that. Oh, nice. That's the name. See if you can see that. Ulanzi. Okay. But like I said, I'll put it on my description. And then we unzip it. Boom. Look at there. And what do we have? This is a light. Okay. Show you the back of it. And that's the name. Ulanzi. It's a rechargeable light. I'll check that out in a minute. Then you have the stand, because this is solid steel. And basically, yes, you got it. This is a very nice professional tripod. See that? And you can extend it. Let's see if we got that. You can extend it. Let's see here. Got the charger. Okay. I want to show you the inside of this though. Isn't it nice? And that's so you can carry it with you. All right. Everything fits in there. It's nice and snug, and you just boom. Okay. This can go here, like that. And this right here will fit, is where your smartphone will fit. Okay, when you put it on there. So you see how snug you can get your smartphone. You can get it tight. You can loosen it up. No matter, even those with big smartphones, you can make it really small. Tighten it up so it won't be loose. Let me give you an idea here. They give you that Vlog master plan. And this company actually give away stuff too. Okay. It comes with a detailed instruction booklet. Okay. In English. As well as, look like, I believe that's Chinese. Okay, now this is an upgrade, people. This is a massive upgrade, okay? Because this is your light. And why is this important? It's because when you go around and let's say you want to do a taste test on some type of new item that's out. You're in your car, okay? You could set this up. This is your light. This is going to be your source of light. Okay? So therefore, people can see you clearly. Even though the rest of your car is dark, they'll be able to see you clearly, be able to see the product in which you're advertising. Okay. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. And this, okay, these legs are plastic, but the outside has a grip to it. Now, the main parts of it is metal. It's all metal. Like this main part right here is metal. Okay. This solid metal. Okay. This is not cheap. All right. Now, the reason I got the one, I tried to get another one. They have one that's costs $20. I ain't saying I'm not going to get that yet. The reason I got this one is because if you're not a YouTuber, let me explain. Every month, YouTube sends you a letter. Okay? And it sends all the YouTube creators a letter. And basically, it kind of tells you what you need to kind of do. Gives you ideas to increase your subscriptions, as well as to help your YouTube subscribers and viewers, okay, articulate and understand what you're saying better. And I remember I got one letter from me, and it looked like it was really detailed towards me. It just, even though I'm sure everybody gets the same generic letter, but that letter did state that it'd be better for me to work on my lighting, because my lighting was not great. So when I got that letter, for some reason, all the stuff I used, the ones I used to get, for some reason that stuck out. So therefore, I bought a tripod with the letter, okay? I mean, with the light. And that way, this makes it more versatile. Like even right now, I could go out somewhere outside at night and do a show. Okay, tape it, because I have my light with me. This rechargeable, it's portable. Tape it, edit it when I get home, get it ready for y'all. Okay, so this makes things more versatile. I don't always have to be at the house. I can go ahead and do this from like a friend of mine's car. You know, I could do a quick blog from a friend of mine's car. Yeah, I could do a quick blog outside at night. I could do a quick blog while I'm waiting on the bus at night. Okay, because I have the light, and that really expands what you're able and capable of doing. Okay, and that, I'm gonna show you this again. The case, look how pretty that is. Okay, the case, this is the carrying case. The light, let me pop this out. The tripod, okay, and this is the lock. This is where your, I'll put this together later. This is where your phone's gonna be, and it'll be locked into this tripod. So you'll be able to view it, and the phone's gonna be in front, the light's back. So therefore, because your light should be behind your phone, okay. So therefore, and you can raise your light up too. You can raise this up. You can raise this. You can pull this tripod down, and it'll stand. I believe it'll stand at least 5 feet. Okay, so give you a good, better look. And that is my unboxing. It's a quickie. But what I did is, when I got my first payment from YouTube, as I told you, and as many great YouTube creators will tell you, it's always good to invest some of your money once you get monetized back into your hobby or your business. Okay, and I promised myself I would do that. And this baby right here is $40, free shipping with Amazon Prime. Okay, now I also will put a link to the video in which I found out all about this baby. Okay, and it will show you the whole thing set up, and it's pretty. Okay, I will put that in the description box below. All right, thank you for your time. This is my unboxing, okay, of the Ulanzi Vlog this is the master plan, but this is the Ulanzi Vlog kit, because I showed you right here, and it's created for smartphone, so it doesn't matter if you're using an Apple or if you're using Android, this will work. I've been holding that back. I wanted to show y'all that. And I love this right here. It even shows you where to go. They even have a link, Facebook link, and they have all types of giveaways, ideas for products. You can even co-design with them. Okay, let me show you on the back. Now, if you're short on money, in the video in the description box that I'm going to give you, there's another one that's $20. It does not come with the light, but this sucker, I mean, I'm serious. It will stand almost 20 feet. The stand stretches out almost 20 feet, and it comes with a remote control, and it's $20, and it's pretty solid. Okay, that's a really nice one too. All right, so even if you can't afford the 40, once you start making money on your YouTube channel, then maybe you can afford the 20. And even in your personal life, it will enrich your personal life. So when you're taking your pictures of yourself, family members, of your animals, you got the lighting, you got the stable stand, you can go ahead and take those pictures and everything. Now you can buy remotes for your phone for a very inexpensive price. I have not bought one yet, but if I do, I'll let you know. All right, and that is my surprise unboxing that I've been wanting to show you. I thank you for your time, and I shall rap to you later. Peace out.